and to the location.
Yes.
Yes. Total difference between a constituency and a location.
Yes.
I want to ask.
I agree.
You don't know, that's why I'm informing you.
Yes. That's why.
And if you look at the charges against the deputy president,
yes.
We are talking of our MPs. We are told to go to their respective constituencies,
yes,
to do just a public participation for one day. Yes. Tunastahili kujiuliza hii public participation ya Gachagua ilikuwa imepeanwa siku gani? Ilikuwa imepeanwa siku ya Friday. Yes. Na sisi wote tunajua on Fridays Waislamu hawafanyi kazi. Public participation is part of the job. Yes. It's their holiday. Hiyo ilifanywa lini? Hawakufanya.
Okay, just take information on Friday.
I don't want to.
No, just take.
I don't want to be involved.
Just take information. Just take information. And inform them.
According to the
can you take information from
the working day?
Why are you doing?
According to the 2010 Constitution, the working day in the Republic of Kenya, it is from Monday to Friday.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, sir. Listen.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Speaker, much as we would want to talk about Mr. Gachagua and the issues to do with public participation, the person who came up with, who read the motion, MP for Kibwezi West, Mwananchi Mutuse, he should tell us the 5 wards in Kibwezi West constituency, the Nguu ward, the Sijui Mikiliundi ward, North and South, the Emari ward, his ward zote. What was the result as far as the public participation is done? Yeah. On top of that, if you read about all these shenanigans from our parliament, you are going to be surprised. They tackled each and every chapter of the constitution that Gachagua has already. Yani Gachagua amefuta katiba yote. From chapter 1, sovereignty of the people and the supremacy of the constitution. Chapter 2, about the public. Chapter 3, about the citizen. Chapter 4, bills of rights. Chapter 5, majority environment. Chapter 6, integrity. Chapter 7, legislature. Chapter 8, intellectual representation. Chapter 9, executive. Chapter 10, about the judiciary. Chapter 11, devolution. If you come to the details,
whether you quote it in Rivers, Gachagua must go.
I have no problem with that. You are in the Senate. And we know this is how we behave like senators.
Can you take information there?
Yes, this information I give you. Yes, sir.
You mentioned that the Muslims go to the mosque on Friday. Yes. And our brothers in the Seventh-day Adventists also go on Saturday. And
how many are they?
The was also conducted on Saturday.
How many are they?
It's a franchisement of the Kenyan
my friend here, I just dismissed that thing.
Okay.
If you look at the allegations,
how many are they?
If you look at the allegations, I don't want to go to the nitty-gritties of this paper.
Yes.
But if you look at charge 1,
yes,
baada ya mtu anaitwa Kimani Chungwa kukaa chini ili atumie mtu anaitwa Mwangi Mutuse, at the allegation number 1 was at the exclusion and unlawful section of people of Kenya and the regions for the opportunities. Hebu niambie kwa hii serikali Gachagua ameappoint nani?
Must go.
Nani ameappointwa na hii Gachagua?
Must go.
Another allegation, allocation of resources. We have only three institutions in Kenya that allocates resources. Yes. One is the Commission for Revenue Allocation. Yes. Second is the Parliament. Yes. The third is the what we call the Senate. Under Article 217, yes, Division of Revenue. Yes. Even if
tell them to love,
yes, what them about him must go.
If you look at the other chart, these people say that he is exercising the functions of the Assembly of National Unity. The National Unity
Gachagua must go.
Order.
We are talking about the senator.
That's a request. Hey, a request.
For Kenya to
stop. Order. These border people are the one who brought this problem.
This member with that document he has is giving this house very useful.
Yeah.
Mr. Chairman, can you add him 3 more?
They never ground for me. Order members.
This is an equal give others limited time. No way. Let us go.
Order members, order. Mr. Chairman, this is a house of procedure and this is a house of democracy. Yes. When a member makes a request like the one I have made, it is the members to vote to decide whether to add more time.
Let us vote.
Now, members.
Gachagua must go. We will not vote because we have never voted in this house. We have but not in the proceedings of the house. Your seat. We have
There is always a false sign in life.
I'm going to add
around the neighbor to the This is not a civic education.
Okay, members. Order members. Wait.
Gachagua must go.
Members, order. Members, We are here to run. Know that if you are Mbunge member, every Mbunge member here comes to learn.
Yes.
At least something small to go.
But we cannot use this
Right now, I'm giving
on a special
majority leader
even
to
I have issues about the shop. Even me, I have issues about the shop. Even me, I had to take about the shop.
Yes, you will
You cannot improve our life.
This is a representative of our progress.
So, members, everybody up in the say I continue to say the eyes have it. I continue.
I'm giving you 3 minutes.
And I think I'm the best person here to dispense what we call constitution. From Article 1 to Article 264.
Carry on your way.
You want forces. You want forces.
Wacha tueleze mambo yetu.
Yes,
Watu wengi hawatujui nini.
nafanya hivi kwa sababu wakati hii kitu ilisomewa bunge, yule mbunge alisimama alisema
Wana hii shida ni watu walituletea.
Nyamaza.
Hapa wewe mtu ya kidogo tu.
yule mtu alisema
Hii shida ni watu wa mlima.
Kuna watu wengine wanafanya huyo. Wacha tusikie.
Wewe ngoja tusikie bwana.
Wacha tusikie. Unaharibu siasa kwa
Wewe huwa chief na maana hujawahi rudi kusikia.
of the many of people say I continue the other issue, ile kitu imefanya nichukue hiyo njia kwa sababu sisi tunakuja hapa, what was read in parliament by our juvenile parliamentarians,
We had TVs.
it was not what they discussed.
Yes.
Ile kitu ilisomwa hapa sio ile discussiwa, and we are calling upon our senate not to follow what our parliamentarians did. It's a house. It's a house of debate.
No, let me embarrass myself. Let me embarrass
Tayari
myself.
wamekuona kwa TV utalipiwa rent. Wacha kelele.
Yes, ni sawa, haina shida. Wewe pia wakija chakula pesa.
Mimi nilikula.
Ulikuanga mwili kama yangu wakija na kupa.
Tangu lini nikatoshana na wewe?
1.5 unakula yote. Acha maasira na siasa nasema.
Ngoja kwanza. Hapa lazima pia
tafadhali ona. Members, tafadhali. Bunge la Mwananchi.
Hii ni kiwanja kwa bunge kudiscuss.
Ona senior.
And you want to learn.
Senior. Nyamaza nipiane direction please. Tafadhali members. Wait. Please. Members. Members. Tulia. Tafadhali members. Bunge la Mwananchi. Kama wewe ni member wa bunge la Mwananchi, inafaa ujue hii kitu. Number 1. Watu wanakujanga bunge kulana, kusoma na kusikiza
na kuexchange
ideas. Maneno na kupiga kelele imeanza juzi kwa wale ambaye hawaelewi bunge ni nini. Tafadhali tukiwa hapa tujaribu to learn. That's why our seniors wakiamka kuongea hapa wanaongea vitu ambaye wametoka nao nini? Wametoka kusearch. Siku hizi tunaongea tu watu bora umeongea. Haujui kitu yote ambao unasema. Tafadhali to learn kama masinia wetu akina Kiberenge ambayo wamekuwa hapa wakati bunge ilikuwa bunge, na tunataka hii bunge irudi bunge. Si bunge ya bora umeona kitu ya mtu kidogo unaanza kupiga nduru. Hiyo haisaidii. Kama ni pesa, bunge tunajua venye bunge inaletanga pesa. Sababu gani? Tuko masini hapa na tunajua venye hii kitu inafanywa. Si watu wamekuja hapa jana na wanaharibu kila kitu. Hawajui anything. Nimekuwa hapa deputy speaker, nimekuwa speaker, nimekuwa SG. Tunajua kitu hapa inafanya. Tafadhali tunyamaze, tusikize watu. Sawa, nyamazeni tusikie. Sababu watu ambao wanapiga nduru hapa, they don't know about bunge la Mwananchi. They don't understand. Tafadhali kama no, I'm not giving him. Sawa, huyu aongei sahi. Na kama ataongea hiki inaridhika.
Thank you. All the members. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. And for the benefit of our media, my name is Samuel Kanja, and I've been the majority leader of this house. And the leadership ya mtu anaitwa Ababu na Mwamba, Ababu hapa nikawa majority leader Adakaucho. Watu wakajaribu kunitoa Kiberenge akasimama nikang'oa yeye. I'm still the majority leader. Watu wakasema nitakaa kama atuoni. What I'm saying is this. Wakati nilianalyze hii karatasi ile itaangaliwa kesho na our Senate, all these things falls under what we were taught by one Patrice Lumumba, falls what we call the minimis, the non-curat lex. Yes. It holds no water, it has no legs, it has no head. Hii kitu hata kama ni wewe uisome,
this is a legal exposition.
Hii kitu hata uisome, ukiwa mbunge na umevote yes, uende ulale uamuke asubuhi, ujiuliza charge number 1, how can I vote that Gachagua has disallowed other areas not to be given public resources.
Correct.
From the first thing, unajiuliza Gachagua anaallocate resources gani na wapi?
How?
How?
You are the speaker. You are the speaker.
Another charge. Inasemekana Gachagua has stolen 5-point-something billion.
Yes, it is true.
Under Article 31, there is what we call the privacy. Lazima uwe na kitu inaitwa court order ukikuja kuangalia mali yangu. Nataka kuuliza, kitabu Gachagua achukue 5.5 billion. Alichukua siku moja, ilikuwa siku ngapi? Tuwe tuna sequence at a certain date, Mr. Gachagua, you took this amount of money. At a certain date, you took and supported with evidence. That is why nasema nikimalizia Mr. Speaker, nikimalizia Mr. Speaker, nikimalizia
Hakutaki kusumbuliwa, tukiuza sisi mambo yetu.
nikimalizia Mr. Speaker, I want to say this, kwamba hii maneno yote itaangaliwa na Senate. Kama itakuwa substantiated, Gachagua ataenda. Kama haitakuwa substantiated, Gachagua atakuwa. And I rest my case. Thank you.